Indian ethics, the concept of Brahma Viharas and Brahmanic and Shramanic traditions. The concept of Brahma Viharas. Brahma Vihara is a concept of Buddhism. Etymologically speaking, Brahma means divine and Viharas mean abode or place. According to Buddhism, Brahma Vihara or abodes of Brahma is a series of 4 Buddhist virtues. They are also known as the 4 immeasurables or the Apramana. They are called so because these virtues are considered to be eternal, boundless, infinite, etc. In Pali, they are called Chaitari Brahmavihara. These 4 virtues, according to Buddhism, require meditation and conduct practices. And Buddhism believes that Brahmavihara is a result which comes out from meditation and conduct practices. According to Metta Sutta, the 4 Brahmaviharas have the power, and this power helps the practitioner to have rebirth into a higher realm or Brahma realm or the realm of Brahma. The Brahmaviharas are found to exist in pre-Buddhism literature and also in post-Buddha Vedic and Shramanic literature. Indian philosophy consists of 2 trends. Number 1, Brahmanic tradition. Number 2, Shramanic tradition. Number 1. Brahmanic tradition. Brahmanic tradition or the Vedic tradition accepts the authority of the Vedas and the Vedic literature. For example, Sankhya, Mimamsa, Yoga, Vedanta, etc. Number 2. Shramanic tradition. Shramanic tradition includes schools like Buddhism, Jainism, Charvaka, etc. They are called so because they do not accept the authority of the Vedas and the Vedic literature. Rather, they accept the authority of their own canons and canonical literature and accept the authority of their authors alone. For example, Charvaka accepts Brihaspati Sutra by Brihaspati. Jainism accepts the authority of their own 24 Tirthankars or the founders of the faith, and they accept their own literature which is called the Agamas. The Agamas are the texts of Jainism based on the teachings of Lord Mahavira. Buddhism accepts the authority of Buddha, and some of the names of their accepted literatures are Gandharan, Lankavatara Sutra, Vishuddhimagga, etc. The 4 Brahmaviharas which come under Buddhist ethics and are accepted by both Hinayana and Mahayana traditions of Buddhism are: Number 1. Maitri. It is also called Metta in Pali. It means love and kindness. It is a universal virtue of love and kindness which should be within all the sentient beings. It also means an active goodwill towards all the beings or benevolence. Number 2. Karuna. It means Karuna in Pali. It means compassion. It means a virtue of compassion or hope towards all. It also means attaining a happy present life. Number 3. Mudita. It is also called Mudita in Pali. It means empathetic joy. It means showing sympathetic joy where one person is happy because of others' happiness, success, or well being. This empathetic joy is totally disconnected with one's own self interest. It is also called appreciative joy. Number 4. Upeksha. It is also called Upekha in Pali. It means evil mindedness, serenity, and treating everybody around equally or impartially. It basically aims at maintaining equality amongst all, where no one is favored more than the others. In short, the Brahma Viharas or the 4 immeasurables or the 4 Buddhist virtues or the Buddhist ethics accepted by Buddhism are: Number 1. Maitri or love and kindness. Number 2. Karuna or compassion. Number 3. Mudita or empathetic joy. Number 4. Upeksha or even-mindedness. It is important to note that the concept of Brahmavihara is also found in Jainism with a slight variation. Jainism accepts the 4 virtues. The 4 virtues are: Number 1. Maitri or love and kindness. Maitri, according to Jainism, means love and kindness. It is a universal virtue which should be present within all sentient beings. It means active goodwill towards all beings. It is also an act of benevolence. Number 2, the second virtue accepted by Jainism is pramoda or appreciation. It means to have an appreciative attitude towards other beings. Number 3, karuna or compassion. According to Jainism, karuna or compassion means a virtue or a hope towards all. It also means attaining a happy present life. Number 4 is madhyastha or equanimity towards all. The fourth Buddhist ethics is called upekha or upeksha. There is no difference between upeksha or upekha and madhyastha. It means even-mindedness, serenity, and treating everybody around equally. It basically aims at impartiality. It aims also at maintaining equality amongst all, where no one is favored more than the others. Hence, the four Brahma Viharas which are accepted by Jainism are: number 1, Maitri or love; number 2, Pramoda or appreciation; number 3, Karuna or compassion; number 4, Madhyastha or equanimity towards all. Similarly, the four Brahma Viharas which are accepted by Buddhism are Maitri or love and kindness; number 2, Karuna or compassion; number 3, Mudita or empathetic joy; and number 4, Upeksha or Upekha or even-mindedness.